Hello everyone, let's solve question number 13 of GATE paper Data Science and Artificial Intelligence 2026. Which of the following algorithm is not an example of an uninformed search? Breadth first, depth first, A star, and depth limited. Now there are a couple of things you need to know before you solve this particular questions. There are two types of searches. First of all, what is a search? Finding a path from an initial state to a final state is known as a search. You are trying to search a possible answer to that. Now there are two kinds of search: informed and uninformed. In uninformed, you don't need any extra knowledge and the problem definition can be used. But in an informed, you need to know that where which particular function is being used, which particular heuristic function is being used, and it actually has an estimation like how far your goal is. The uninformed search does not have any estimation like how far your goal is. So in uninformed, the common examples are breadth first search, depth limited, and or the uniform cost search. Breadth first search, you are going level by level, like first level, then the second level, and the third level, like that. In depth first search, you go till the last, and then you explore the next path if you are unable to find something. And these are some common. Now, what is examples of informed search? A star search is an informed search, and greedy algorithms are informed search because you try to like estimate how far your goal is, and every time you ensure the best possible decision is taken. Now, you might question that what is heuristic? It comes in an informed search and it is an estimated cost from a particular node to the goal point. For example, you're trying to go inside a map, so that map always keep estimate like okay, how far is the destination, how much time it will take, and at which current speed you're going. The time keep changing according to that. For example, Manhattan distance in the grids is also a common example of that. Now, what is A star? So let's quickly talk about that. So in A star, f of n is equal to g of n plus h of n, where g of n is cost from starting to node to a particular point, and h of n is estimated cost to the goal. So the breadth first search explore level by level like this, and there is no heuristic which is being used, hence it is an uninformed search. Depth first search like go like this. For example, you have a tree. So you will go here, then you go here, and you didn't find it. You come back and then you go here. You didn't find it. Now you go back and then you go here step by step. This is how you keep traveling, and that's how depth first search works. What is the A star? A star using heuristic like approach. It has a intelligent path choosing algorithm, and it always estimates the goal. And depth limit fit search, so it is like depth first search only, but there is a depth which is set like okay, it will go up to three levels only. It will go up to level by level because at the end the tree also has a level. This is level one, for example. This is level two. So if I put a check that okay, after level two you are not going, this will become depth limited search. So if I try to solve the question, the answer is A star. A star is different because it depends on the particular structure of the tree, like how you want to search. For every structure, the A star will work differently because the estimation cost will be different. So the estimation of that particular thing makes it informed. So whenever you see H of n, heuristic, estimation cost, or greedy, that particular algorithm is never uninformed. It is always informed. So the answer is the particular option with A star search. That's it for this question. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next question.